How to hide applications on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to hide the apps from the iPhone's home screen, here is what you should do. First of all, long press the application on the home screen and you will see four options. Tap on Remove App and your app will be hidden from the home screen. Likewise, you can just long press anywhere on the screen and you will see the options like this. Tap on this minus sign and it will ask for the same options again. Tap on Remove from home screen and that application will also be hidden. There is another way to do so as well. For this, tap on Edit button and now select the home page or the page that you want to hide. Once you do so, it will hide all the applications in that page on your home screen. That's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.